This year, X Games is putting snow bike freestyle as a contest at Aspen Winter X Games. So we're really excited to be on the front line of that. At the moment, we're about 3 months out, so a little bit of time up our sleeve to try and start building a new shorter track kit for the snow bike. I think the shorter the track is, the better and easier it is to do tricks on these machines. That's what I've learned so far. Another big day on the tools. We're nearly to the end of this thing for the prototype, and just got to machine some smaller wheels at the back here. So last night it took me a fair while to figure out where the chain drives are all going to sit to clear everything, how I'm going to tension them, and I think I got it pretty well figured out. And then I had to machine some smaller little alloy wheels up out of some bit of plate I had lying around. Woo! Just got the bike pretty much ready to go, I think. I fixed up the idler problem last night and stuck that one on the top. Chain tension looks good, so I think now we're ready to test in the pit. Just finished in the foam pit. The prototype kit worked really well. I was a bit hesitant that it wasn't going to come around on the flip, but worked flawlessly. So time to get back in the machinery house shed and put together the actual kit out of chrome moly that I'll be riding at Aspen X Games. Exciting stuff. Just got out of the machinery house shop. This thing's pretty much ready to go. Hopefully my handiwork pays off.